Hello everybody, I'm back with another makeup video for once, and I just wanted to get on and make a video. So we're gonna start with my intro song. You know what it is. Hey, hello, I'm back with another video. For today's video, my intentions are to do a Instagram makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna be very heavy. I'm really nervous because I've never done that before. I'm the person that loves to do super simple. I like to have be able to feel my skin breathe. I don't know how this is gonna turn out. We're gonna see how this goes, and I still need to do my moisturizer. So I'm gonna put my moisturizer on and then I'll be right back. Sorry, I had to put my hair up because I cannot last 5 seconds with my hair down when I'm doing my makeup. I tried to keep my hair down. I just couldn't. I just got done putting on my moisturizer. My primer slash moisturizer. I went in with the Smashbox Primerizer, and then I went in with the Tatcha Silk Canvas. I have the mini size. Your girl be hitting pan, but it's fine. So I put the primerizer basically everywhere, and then I put this right here. I put it only in this area. That's where my pores are very large. The way I'm gonna go about this is I'm gonna start from the inside out, basically. I'm gonna do my foundation. Well, I'm gonna do concealer a little bit right here first, and then I'm gonna do foundation and see what happens from there. I'm gonna be putting my foundation on this little thing. It's actually supposed to be for rings and stuff, but I use it for my makeup. I use it for my foundation and putting product on there. The 3 products I'm gonna be going in for my face area is my foundation, my Uma Cosmetics foundation, my Tarte Shape Tape, and if needed, this It Cosmetics. I'm gonna go wet my sponge and I'll be right back. But yeah, I'll make sure between my sponge and my brush. So first I have put some foundation on here, and then grab it on my beauty. I'm just gonna grab it on my beauty blender. So I'm trying to start in the middle of my face. This matches my neck, but not my face. Okay, my face actually it does match my face. It's just my face gets really red after I do my skincare because it's very sensitive. So I'm trying to keep it concentrated. I need a thick stippling brush. I don't know how to do thick makeup. Okay. I don't know how to do full coverage. That's my issue. This foundation is super good. Look at that. Ooh. Okay, 3 pumps. We're at 3 pumps right now. I don't know how people do this. I don't know how people do this every freaking day of their life. Well, not every day, but every time they put on makeup. I just could never. I'm immediately gonna take off this whole makeup look as soon as I'm done. And I'm pretty sure y'all know I'm not kidding. Okay, I think we're getting somewhere. Should I scoot y'all in? I think I should probably scoot y'all in. Okay, I have y'all scoot in a little bit more. I'm trying not to go around my eyes that much because I still need to do my concealer. Okay, so if it looks bright, it's because I have my mirror right here and it has a light to it, so. My freckles are so hard to cover up. Oh, I can already feel my face gonna start creasing. Okay, we're gonna get this brush and I dabbed it in there a little bit, and then we're just gonna drag it down a little bit. This is as much foundation as I'm gonna put on. I ain't gonna put any more. Okay, fine, I'll put more on. You can still see my freckles. To be fair, this is a medium coverage foundation. At least my face looks really glowy. That's a good thing. Okay, so now we're gonna go in with what is that? Whatever this is called. Our Tarte. Oh, that looks kind of good, TBH. Okay, not gonna lie, that looks good. Honestly, I hate doing concealer because I have lines under my eyes. It's not even funny. I think the key to having full coverage is to lightly dab. I go, because I want it, blend it out, but I think I press a little bit too hard. I should probably learn how to color correct because your girl did not get any sleep. She'd be playing Fortnite. I hate myself. But yeah, she'd be playing Fortnite all the time. Okay, so we're done with our base. What do y'all think? I did my eyebrows, like well, basically, I just did my eyebrows before this video. They were looking rough. FYI, invest in a tweezer. Tweezerman is a good brand. And tweezers are expensive, like $20 for a tweezer. But you think about it, those tweezers, I mean, if you lose things, that's a whole nother story. But like, if you can like not lose it, tweezers will like, they will basically last you forever. Like, when do you need to get new tweezers unless you lose it? So next we're gonna go in with powder. We're gonna go in with this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores pressed powder. Then we're gonna go in with this pressed powder in the shade Nude Beige. And then we're gonna go with this Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I've had this forever. I probably need a new one. And I'm gonna be using probably these two shades mostly to brine my under eyes. So we're gonna go in with the Bye Bye Under Eyes, or whatever this is called. We're gonna go with the IT Cosmetics one. Go with this kind of like fluffy but tapered brush. I hate the way my under eyes look, honestly. Okay, we're done with that part. Oh my gosh. I'm loving this. This feels so, like, in person, not so much. But like in here, yes. So next, we're going to be going in with these powder. We're just going to like swirl the brush around. And then dab, 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 dab. And then when I get into like this area, I notice that like it doesn't really catch every nook and cranny. So I get this brush and I kind of like, I do this business. A tiny bit of mixture between these two. And we're going to use this brush, put a little bit right here. Not too much. It's not anything crazy. Next is contour. My favorite. No, I'm just kidding. But I do like contour. I'm gonna be using a mixture between this one and this one, these two shades. So I'm gonna start up here. Okay, literally looks like I have nothing on. I'm trying to put a lot of makeup on. It's not working. This is as good as it's gonna get. I honestly don't know. We're gonna do the other side and I'll be right back. I just did my contour on both sides of my face and I'm baking a little bit just to make sure I clean up any of those lines that I messed up on. As it's baking, I'm going to do my eyebrows. I'm gonna try really hard to actually fill them in, but without making them look like block brows. Wow, Amber, you're doing something. I'm like pissed. I'm not pissed though. Okay, let's take off this. Yikes. So now that we're done cleaning off the bake, I'm gonna go ahead and do my other eyebrow off camera and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back with my brows. I went back to work on this one and totally messed it up, so that's that. Let's go ahead and start with the eye look. It's about to get serious up in this. Figured out what I wanted to do, kinda, not really, but whatever. We're gonna go and do a simple glam look. Well, I'm gonna try to make it simple, but yeah. We're gonna start off with caramel. Well, actually, no, we're not. Oh my god, I need to calm down. We're gonna start with the shade Sued and Tati's palette, and I'm basically just gonna put this all over my eye and go from there. I basically just put this all over my eyelid. I kind of focused it a little bit more on my crease area. I'm gonna go ahead and do this and then finish up on this, and then I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. We're gonna go in with a darker brown shade. We're gonna switch brushes. We're gonna go with Mocha from the Dominique Cosmetics palette. I wanna focus this, I'm focusing this on my outer corner of my eye. Okay, we're gonna go back in with that with that fluffy brush and blend it out. So now I'm gonna do the same exact thing on my other eye, and I'll be right back. Okay, we're back after a longer waited moment you've been waiting for like a millisecond. But now we're going to be going into the good part, which is the glitter. I'm gonna go in with this shade right here on my lid. I'm gonna take a flat brush. Oh great, it's not working. Okay, looks like we're gonna have to go in with our finger. Ooh, that looks good. Let's try to use a different brush. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna spray my brush. That's looking a lot better. Okay, I'm gonna do the other eye and I'll be right back. Okay, we back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my lower lash. I'm not gonna show you that because that's boring. So yeah, okay, I'm back. I look like a crazy person. I'm gonna go in with, I can't do anything. I'm gonna go with my blush now. I'm gonna go in with my Alamar Cosmetics blush trio palette. And I'm gonna go in a mixture between these two. For highlight, I'm gonna be going in with my Cosmetics Champagne Pop. Now I'm gonna go in with bronzer, and we're gonna go in with this bronzer, Too Faced bronzer. This bronzer smells so good. Yes, it takes forever. I'm going like little by little, but it pays off to just build the product. I'm going to put a little highlight on my brow bone. To tie it all together, I'm gonna keep using the highlight I use for my face. I'm going to do like a little liner. Be right back. I'm stupid and I didn't even turn on the camera. Anyways, what I was gonna say is that I just did my eyeliner and then I set it with the matte black eyeshadow. And now I'm gonna be putting on my Ardell lashes. Let's see how this goes because I don't know how this is gonna turn out. I'll be back with eyelashes on. Okay, so I just put my lashes on. Basically done with the whole look. All I have to do is my lip shade. So we're gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going with this lipstick called Timber by Bodyography. Okay, I'm done with this. I'm done with the liner. I'm gonna put on Kylie Jenner Exposed, and yeah. Okay, so I'm done with that. Gloss or no gloss? Okay, I'm done. I turned off the light on this mirror I have. This basically just turned into me putting on regular makeup. This is a look I would do in general. Yeah, I tried to be a baddie today. We're finally done. I actually like the way it came out a lot. I don't necessarily think I completed my mission on trying to do like Instagram baddie makeup. I feel like this is a look I would do either way. The only difference is I would put less foundation on and not do my eyebrows so intense. I also do think that my lighting does kind of wash me out, because if I made it a little bit darker, you can see it more. I do like the way this look came out. Maybe I should have done an actual liner or something. Let me know what y'all think about this look. I'm scooting y'all in so y'all can see like the final, I guess, product of my makeup. I think this look came out pretty decent. Let me know what y'all think of it. Hopefully the video isn't too long. I've been here for about 2 hours doing this makeup look. Hopefully y'all like this video. But yeah, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I hope to see you in the next video, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye. Okay, where's my clean off brush? Don't judge me, okay? Sorry. Wow. Okay. So basically this just turned into me